Hey guys, it's Paul.
And Shannon.
And lots of fun toys.
Yep.
I'll just get us started with this Animal Jam right here.
Nice pick.
This includes 3 magnets, 1 mini poster, and 1 Animal Jam figure, and a code. Let's see who we get. Here's our poster. And these are fun because these are like backdrops.
Yep.
For your Animal Jam toys. And it's also a checklist on the other side. So like there's all the magnets, there's all the magnets. Well, I want to get this, the octopus with the pirate hat. There's the 4 different posters. So very cool. Let's see who the magnets are. Whoops, there's our code. Here's our magnets. If I can get the package open.
Let's see who you got.
Oh, we got a penguin. That's our little cutout package.
I think this is the same pack.
Well, we got the shark, the polar bear, the sea otter, and the turtle.
If you guys saw our video where we opened all the Animal Jam, we had like so many of the same pack. That's the same pack.
And hey, look, it's a little hedgehog or something or other. Let's pop him out and see. So, first off, you get a little tiny food bowl for your little guy. You get this adorable little purple and blue hedgehog, I'm going to say.
I'm not sure.
With little butterfly wings. I think it's a hedgehog. It's got little bristles there. So
that works.
That's what I'm going with.
Works for me. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to open the My Little Pony.
Okay.
With Pinkie Pie right on the front.
That's what I hope we get, Pinkie Pie.
You want Pinkie Pie? Is she even in this collection?
I think she's in every collection.
Yep, she is in there. You want Pinkie Pie, I want Trixie Lulamoon.
Okay.
Oh no, we got Rarity, my favorite.
Ooh, with the sparkly hair.
She gives great advice, and she's glittery and
she
awesome.
Is.
Hello, Rarity.
Hello. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. It's the Paw Patrol Mashem Series 1. So these are not gonna be the shiny ones. Today, I hope we get Rubble.
I would like Sky.
Ooh! Oh, wow, good job, Shannon.
It's Sky.
That's Sky. Now these are squishy, and I like them because they're not sticky.
She looks funny.
She is funny.
When you squish her.
Yep. All right, there we go.
Okay, how about Disney Tsum Tsum Mystery Stack Pack from Series 2. These are all the different characters in this collection, and I hope we get Susie.
Oh, and Mickey.
Hey, I got Susie.
Wow, Shannon, look at you. You got your favorite pony, even though you didn't call her.
Yeah.
You got her. You got Sky, and now you got Susie.
It's awesome. So here is her little sewing basket, and this is her accessory piece. And then here is a Susie Mouse from Cinderella. She kind of looks like Cinderella a little bit.
She does.
Like, you know, she's got the same colors.
Yep.
And I like her little mouse tail. And she can sit in her little sewing basket. Whoops.
Okay.
And then she can tip off the shelf.
Lion Guard. This is Series 3, the brand new series. Here's the people that we can get. Today, I hope we get Timon. We still need the rare Copper Fully.
And Battle Janja.
Battle Janja.
Battle Janja.
All right.
Come on. Oh, my luck is broken.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. It's oh, no.
Very cool.
I like Ono.
I do, too.
Time for twosies. So...
Time for doozies. Uh-oh.
Paul did not cut my twosies.
Nope. Paul did not.
Paul has the scissors. He's using them right now. Right over there. You can't see. Right off camera. He's slicing.
There you go.
So here are the twosies. These are made by Moose Toys, in case you're not familiar with them. Inside you get 1 baby and 1 pet.
I want the frog baby.
There's a few I really want that we haven't seen yet. Oh no, it's Toby.
Robbie and Ribbit.
We've had Toby a ton.
Yep.
A ton of Tobys.
A ton of Tobys.
So that's Toby the elephant baby, and let's see if we get Toby's pet or if we get a different pet.
Toby's pet is Trumpet. Hey, you got Trumpet. Nice Trumpet.
It's Trumpet. There he goes. It's Trumpet. I like this pet though. The Trumpet pet is really cute.
Yeah, I like it too.
I like the little foot up.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna open this. This is a Marvel Series 6 collector's keyring. Here's the people we can get. I love the pretty blue background. These are all from Captain America Civil War. So let's see. Today I want to get Winter Soldier or Crossbones.
I would like Captain America.
Okay, I think I know who we got. Yep, it's Iron Man. I saw the red when we opened up. Iron Man's cool looking. This color scheme is neat because it's more like brick red and gold as opposed to like the bright yellow and the reds. So neat. Neat.
Would you pass me that Shopkin hiding behind the magnets?
Sweet.
Thanks. So this is a season 4 Shopkins 2-pack. I wonder if we'll get blind bag ones today or non-blind bag. Let's see.
I think non.
Non-blind bag. Paul was right.
Oh, we got some awesome ones though.
We did. So our first one is Jade Spade, the little petkin. And we're going to put that up here by Susie because once she's done with her sewing, she's going to go garden, I think.
Okay.
And then we have Betsy Buttercup. And she is so yummy. And she's going to go up here by Ono because Ono wants a buttercup.
Okay. All right, splashlings. So these are 2 splashlings. I'd love to get that blue Claudio. I don't think you can get a blue Claudio. But that's what I would like. No blue Claudio in that one. Nope. Okay, so this is Flapsy, the little dolphin. So it's very cute. And we got Clowny, the little clownfish. Adorable.
I never noticed on the back of that package. It calls them funny names, too.
Sometimes it does, yeah.
The little blue Claudio says shells. He's not a shells.
No, he's not.
I was just looking at the checklist to see.
The checklist is normal, I think.
Where is he? Why can't I see him? There he is. Yeah, he doesn't come in blue. Interesting.
Maybe it's international packaging.
Maybe. Okay, I'm going to open up the Disney Junior Sophia the First blind bag figure from Series 1. These are the ones you can get, and it's pretty small, so I think it's going to be one of the people. And today, I hope it's James.
I hope it's riding Sophia. Since it's a small one, you said.
You're in luck.
I'm in luck.
It's riding Sophia. There she is in her pretty purple outfit. Very nice.
That is nice. All right, last thing is the giftums. We have a 3-pack right here. Find the special edition night giftums. Let's see if one is inside. So I'll start with mine. This girl was on the front of the package, and she came in this pretty purple present.
I like that present.
I do too. Isn't it cool looking? And let's see. Ooh, pretty tropical. Oh, from Havana, Cuba. And it's Anna Havana. I think that name's really cute. So there's the pictures. And these are a lot of fun because I just love the pictures on these.
Let's see. I need to see her again. Why don't I see her on the checklist?
Anna Havana. She's going to be in the daytime series, I think.
But I'm not seeing her. I thought she'd be in the daytime series, but I'm not seeing her. Oh, there she is. Anna Havana. She is an ultra rare.
Anna Havana.
So
the
that was
ultra
nice.
rare. I want to go to Havana and eat a banana with Hannah.
Okay. This is my girl off the front that I picked to show you guys. She is the swim category. And let's see what her name is and where she's from. Let's see, which way does my present open? There we go.
Ooh, pretty.
She is Sofia del Sol from Madrid, Spain.
Ooh, very pretty.
Yes, very nice.
Sofia del Sol.
So there is Sophia. Is she a common or a rare?
Oh, she's a common. She is a common.
So there she is, Sophia.
I love how bright her swimsuit is.
Yeah, it's almost like a neon.
All right, our last one. Sorry, guys, I hit the camera. I got a polka dot pink present with a silver bow.
Ooh, that's somebody special.
It is. We got a special one.
It's a limited edition,
Shannon's gonna have to open that up. So we got somebody from Montreal, Canada. Look how pretty that is. And I have actually been to the city of Montreal.
I love her name.
I've never been to this particular mountain. I've been to the city.
I love her name.
Yep.
You didn't say her name.
Flow Snow.
Snow.
I was covering it up.
I love it. Oh, okay.
So here is Flo Snow. Look at her little helmet with the Canadian maple leaf on it. I love her outfit, her little goggles.
Yeah.
She is just totally cool. And She also has a little snowboard. So you could put her on the snowboard if you wanted to. That is awesome.
And she's a limited edition.
Yes.
Alright guys, it's that time of the video where you pick a favorite and then Paul and I pick which toy was our favorite from the video. So Paul, what toy did you like the best today?
That's tough because I actually want to pick several, but I'm going to go with the magnets of Animal Jam. I think they're cute, even though we've got like 10 of each of them.
They are really cute.
I've never picked them before in a video, so I figured today I'll pick them.
Okay, that is a good pick. I think I'm going to go up here with Sophia from Madrid.
Okay.
I think she's really pretty. All right, so now it's your turn to leave that comment down below and let us know what toy you liked the best. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.